Hey, it's Uncle George's birthday. There he is. Dude's happy as heck. He's 68, by the way, in case you didn't know. Module 2, lesson 2. We're going to do one more of these problems. And here it is. He's having a birthday party. He's going to order 12 pizzas. Each person eats 2/3 of a pizza. And how many people can eat at his party then? If he's ordering 12 pizzas and they eat 2/3 each. And before, we actually started off with a fraction, like 2/3. And it's kind of hard to figure out with that 2/3 how I can get to my answer of 12 pizzas. So for this one, we're not going to start here. We're actually going to start with the pizzas and model them. So let's start with that pizzas. There's 12 pizzas coming right up. There they are. This is 12 pizzas. Sound effects. No extra charge. And then we're going to cut each pizza up into thirds. Why thirds? Because each person gets 2/3. So let's cut the pizza into thirds. And then from there, we can figure out how many people. These are not even pizzas. Bad teacher. Okay, there we go. 12 pizzas, each cut up into thirds. So each one of these is a third. So I can now take my model and I could figure out how many people there are. I'm going to use x's for people. So an x will equal a person. A person's portion. Here we go. First party person gets 1, 2, and then 3, fourth person, 5th, 6th person, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 18 party people get to come, so there's my answer. 18 people. That's the model, and that takes a long time, and you might mess up on the x's, and there's definitely room for error. But, kids will understand the big picture, what we're doing, what it looks like, the division, the sections, all that good stuff gets soaked up by the brain. And then eventually, what they're already doing is starting to write division like multiplication. So it's 12 pizzas. I'm trying to figure out how many 2/3 are in there, right? And kids are starting to figure out, dude, this is the same as 12 times 3/2, the reciprocal of this one. And then we can go from there. And they will be doing this. So I turn this 12 into a fraction by putting a 1 underneath. And then we can multiply across to get 36/2, which is the same as 36 divided by 2, which is 18, which is what we got when we used the model. So 18 people.